Hello guys, Steel591 here. I'm doing one more firework video, and I'm going to tell you the date and everything. Today is July 1st, and it is about 7:54 on July 4th at 7:54 p.m. I am getting all my stuff set up and ready for my fireworks at night, and I'm going to be counting all these shells that I just took out of all the boxes I'm using. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 plus 12 is 36. Because I got the balls of fire over there. But that's not all that I've got. And they're all over there is my artillery tubes. I'm going to screw them to a board so that they all are in one thing. Plus, here I have UFOs. I have 6 UFOs. I've got 4 Black Cat double night parachutes, plus some bottle rockets in there, and Saturn batteries, missile batteries that I'm going to be lighting. I'll take this stuff all down to the garage. I got an unraveled Air Force and Navy that I'm going to be lighting off that night. Plus, I'll do a video of some stuff too. Try to get this thing open here with one hand. Plus, a silvery chrysanthemum, 2 mini cuckoos, plus 1 big cuckoo, plus Jack in the Beck surprise, spring flower sparks, 1 killer bee. I've actually got 2 big cuckoos, 2 Black Cat Tasmanian devils, 6 Black Cat ground bloom flowers. I've got a jade flower, plus some jumping jacks that I'm going to be lighting. Plus, I've got a 6-pack of wild geese rockets, a 6-pack of glitterous light rockets, a cluster bee rocket pack. Plus, I've got some glitterous light rocket right here that's out of the packaging, some cluster bees. And that's what I'll be lighting that night. Yes, I will do a video on some of that stuff. I'm going to take this stuff down to the garage here in just a second. So I'm going to have to do a part 2. But anyways, that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to be I'll get a board and screw all this stuff down, and you'll see what it looks like. So, oh great. This is Steel591. Sign out. Peace.